Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is an English for grade 5, and as you know that we are learning unit number 5 and its title is Festivals in Pakistan. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 5, we will learn about short questions and answers, how we can give answers of short questions and how we can locate questions from our text. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already you have learned how we can locate specific factual information to answer short questions and how we can take dictation of words, familiar words studied in class on page number 68. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today I'm going to give you strong concept about dictation words and how we can get answer questions from the text. So our today's student learning outcomes are locate, scan specific information to answer short questions. Take dictation of words studied in class. So these two SLOs we are going to cover up today, my dear students. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Taghabun, verse number 4, He knows what is within the heavens and earth and knows what you conceal and what you declare. Subhanallah. My dear students, do you know? He knows. Who knows? Yes, definitely Allah Almighty knows what we are doing, what we are even thinking, what we have in our mind even. So these all things, even that is imaginary, even these all things are practically. So Allah Almighty knows everything. This beautiful verse is clearing that even what He knows, even what we declare means that we display, we show to other peoples, and even what we conceal. Okay, we conceal means we try to hide from other people. So all things is being known to Almighty Allah. So definitely, my dear students, we have to take care of our everything, because if nobody is seeing us, so no problem. Allah Almighty is always observing us and watching us. Okay. So next pre-reading strategies are there. Do you participate in taking care of Eid animals at home? So in our last lecture, we have already learned about Eid al-Azha, my dear students. So at that Eid, what we are doing, we are sacrificing animals. So there is a question for you, and think and answer to your teacher that do you take care of that Eid animals? Good job, excellent. I hope you are good students. You are also taking care of these animals and you are also loving these animals. Good, excellent job. So now we are going to start our lecture, okay? From page number 36. Open page number 36 and half we have to read from 4th paragraph. Muslims from all over the world offer the sacrifice of animals like sheep, cows, goats, or camels. The meat of the animal is shared with friends, neighbors, relatives, poor and the needy. So my dear students, on Eid day, on Eid al-Azha, we are sacrificing animals. Which animals? Like sheep, cows, goats or camels, and we are sharing its meat with our friends, with our relatives, with our family, and also to poor and needy peoples. Okay, so this is the actual theme of this Eid, that we have to share the meat, that people are poor and needy, they can't buy meat the whole year, so this is specially for them. So next is Chilam Joshi is a local festival. This is another festival, my dear students. Before that we have read, these were our religious festival for Muslims in all over the world, not in Pakistan, in all over the world. 2 religious festivals are being celebrated. So which were that? Yes, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Now there is the Chilam Joshi festival. What is this? Let's see. It is celebrated for 4 days in mid of May by the Kalash people. It is a spring festival and is celebrated for the abundance of dairy products during the season. So yes, which type of festival that is? That is a Chilam Joshi festival and is celebrated by Kalash people, means in Chitral Valley. Okay, got it? That festival is being celebrated in Chitral Valley and by Kalash people and for 4 days. Okay, we have our Eid also for 3 days. So this is for 4 days, and when in the mid of the May. Okay, it means we can say that 14 May, 15 May. So in this way, mid of the May. And why? Which type of festival is that? Due to the abundance of dairy products during the season. So dairy products, do you know dairy products related with milk like butter? So such type of products are there, and that's why it is being celebrated. Okay. See, there is a word, abundance means a very large quantity of something. When we have a thing in a large quantity, so this is called abundance. There is a while reading question for you. What people do in Chilam Joshi festival? Yes. What people do? Which type of festival is that? Already I have told you. Good. Excellent. Excellent, my dear students. There is another question. Why is the Chilam Joshi festival celebrated? Yes, why? Why it is being celebrated? There is in this paragraph, this is highlighted that why it is being celebrated. Hurry up, search out. Good, excellent job. Yes, to the abundance of dairy products. Good. Okay, next is Shandor Polo Festival is celebrated in Shandor and Gilgit-Baltistan. On this occasion, teams meet to play polo matches on the highest polo ground of the world. So, there is another information for you in this paragraph. Which is the word highest polo ground? Yes, Shandor Polo Ground in Gilgit-Baltistan. This is the world's highest polo ground. Okay, keep remember that. And why on this occasion, what teams meet to play polo matches? Okay, what is polo matches? Already we have discussed that polo matches that is being played on horses. Okay, and then they have to throw a ball into a hole. This is called a polo match. Got it? So next you can see there in image also that how they are playing and what they are doing. There is a question for you. Describe any local festival of your area, region. So it's totally for you, my dear students, after reading the complete lesson. So now you have to describe your favorite, any local festival of your area, okay, that is being celebrated in your area. So you have to discuss, you have to describe it in front of your class, in front of your teacher. Good, excellent job. I hope now you have got and you know that how we can describe any event, anything else that we have attended and that is being celebrated by our community. So how we can celebrate and how we can discuss and describe these festivals. So there is an amazing activity for you. So be ready for it. Yes, my dear students and my dear teachers, ask students to read and learn the underlined words from the text. After learning, get dictation of these words. Engage whole class in this activity and build a strong concept about dictation words. So while reading also we have highlighted, my dear teachers, you also have to say to your students that highlight difficult words and you will help them to learn their pronunciation and also their spelling. After learning, you have to get these words as dictation words. Okay, this is a activity for you and this is the brainstorming and also it's for learning activity for you, my dear students. So I'm waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back and I hope now you have learned new and difficult words that you have found in your lesson, in your chapter. Good job. So here is another activity. This is an individual activity that you have to perform. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 2 you have to do on your book, my dear students, and question number 1 remaining questions are there, C, D and E. You have to do in your notebooks as a classwork. Perform this activity. Excellent job. Good. Good, my dear students. So, what's our homework for today? You have to make sentences of the words given in question number 3 in your notebook. There is a question number 3 on your book, page number 38, my dear students. So you have to make sentences of these words. These words you have to use into sentences. This is your homework. So my dear teachers and my dear students, this worksheet is for students. You have to get it and you have to distribute it among the students in printed form, so that we might be able to get that how much knowledge they have got, that how we can search or locate different answers related to the questions. So what we have learned today, we covered today we learned to generate questions from the text and about comprehension skills. And in this way we have learned locate, scan specific informations to answer short questions, take dictation of words studied in class. So yes, we have completed our lecture, our lesson, our complete unit we have completed as a text, as a content. Okay, so I hope now you have got that how we can celebrate different festivals, especially these festivals are being celebrated in Pakistan. So have you got, and I hope you have got new knowledge and information about these festivals. So stay blessed. See you soon inshallah with a new lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.